Guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I just wanted to show you a couple of gifts that I received. This is from Susie's Craft Room, and she is in South Carolina, looks like. And I've already taken it out of the package because I wanted to not take too long. So I'm going to take it out of the tissue paper. Ooh, I feel lace already. Okay, this top one says for Aaron, so I'm going to lay that aside. Okay, it says, E, I wrote you a personal message which you can read online if you choose to. My request is that you play the CD online when you open it. I only ask that you play Donnie's song. I hope that Aaron can be with you when you do. God uses special people to bless us. Randy, Danny, you, and Aaron are all very special people. Blessings and hugs, Susie from Susie's Craft Room. Okay. If this is not copyrighted, I can play it. But if it's copyrighted, I can't play it online. So I'll have to look and see if it's copyrighted. Because if it is, then YouTube will spank me big time if I play a copyrighted song on the channel. So if it has a copyright, I can't play it. I'm sorry. I will look it up and see. But yeah, I am not sure if I can play this. Let's see. No, I don't think I can play this online. Because this is a recording and I'm sure that it is copyrighted and I won't be able to do it. I'm sorry. If you know any different about this not being copyrighted, you can let me know, but I'll try to look everything up. But I would love to play a lot of different songs on here, but YouTube says no. Okay. It says, happy anniversary to you and your hubby. Happy birthday to Aaron. I hope you like what I made for you and the few extra goodies. About the CD, this can be for you or Aaron or both. I feel that you will be I'm not sure, blessed by it. About Randy, I know him and his family personally. He is an amazing singer and Christian. Many years ago, about 13 or so, Danny had his bicycle stolen. Randy was telling us about it at church. After church, we went to my mom's and we discussed getting Danny a new bike anonymously. My daughter was about 6 or 7 at the time. She and I went to Walmart and picked out a bicycle. We got to the checkout and my daughter insisted on using her money to buy it. After much discussion, I gave in as the Lord told me to do that, let her do that. I know that she didn't have enough to buy it, so I quietly told the cashier I would pay the difference. She rang it up, and my daughter handed over her money pouch, and there was the exact amount of the purchase. My daughter was thrilled and never complained about using her money. Danny has been a blessing in so many lives. Oh, that is sweet. That is very sweet. How sweet of your daughter, too, to want to buy that. That is so cute. With loving thoughts, many happy memories, and a special wish for your happiness, for your happiness day. I cannot read this morning. Have you noticed that? And every day. May all have so many more years together. Happy anniversary, Susie. Thank you so much, Susie. That is so sweet. Oh, look at this. How cute. I love that. That gives me so many ideas looking at that. Oh, and look. Wow. That is pretty. That's a pretty picture. That's an old postcard. Isn't that sweet? It's from Pennsylvania, I think. I love that. I'm sorry my voice is kind of yuck this morning. I am having lots of allergies with all this heat. And look at that. That's cute. It's a real, it's like almost like a, I don't know. It's a fuzzy trim. I don't know what to call it. Y'all know I don't know what to call it. And more napkins. Look at those. How pretty. Got one like that, I know. I remember that little bird. Ooh. I don't think I have any like that. So pretty. Thank you. That's gorgeous. Oh, look at that one. Wow, I don't have anything like that. That is beautiful too. Love that little bee coming in there. How cute. Oh my goodness, look at this wide lace. Look at that. That is huge. Thank you. Oh, and look at this. These are so soft. Thank you so much. I love them. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Very pretty and soft. I love it. That looks so good on a mini album. That's so pretty. Thank you so much, Susie. I love everything. And I will give Aaron his card. Like I said, I don't think I can play this on the video, but I will let him hear it when he opens his card. And thank you so much for the thought. I really appreciate it. Okay, then I got this, and this was in a big Amazon box, and I thought they had sent it to the wrong person. So I was going to open it and figure out what it was, and then call them and send it back and all that. And then when I opened it, it said it had a little thing that said your gift. And it says, with appreciation for all you give, enjoy this little present from Yanada Muse. Thank you so much. I have no clue why you did this or what you did, but thank you. Oh my goodness, what? I love the bag even. Look at that. That's beautiful. What in the world? Sealing wax. What? Look at that box. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's that wax that you melt and you can make the seals. Oh my goodness. It is a butterfly. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to be wax sealing everything. That is so cute. And then it's got gold and looks like red and silver wax. And then two little candles and then the little wax pot thing. Oh my goodness, I love this. Thank you so much. How sweet of you. I cannot believe I have one of those. I have been wanting to play with one of those forever. And this box is gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. That is so sweet. Thank you both, Susie, and I have to look at your name in order to be able to say it. Yanada, I hope I'm saying that right. Thank you guys so much for that sweet, happy mail. I absolutely love it. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.